Is your blower motor not turning on? I'm Michael Starratt. I'm with United HVAC Motors. In this video, we're going to go over diagnosing a 16-pin blower motor. If you don't have high voltage and low voltage to your motor, it won't turn on. So let's go ahead and check it out and make sure it's getting that voltage. Here we have a 16-pin blower motor. We're going to go over testing both the high voltage and low voltage of this motor. The first thing we will do is go to our main electrical panel and turn off the breaker. Now that we have this breaker off, we'll go ahead and remove both the high voltage and low voltage connections. Now that we have these out, let's go back to our breaker panel and turn the power back on. Now that we have the power back on, let's start testing. Let's orientate the cables first. You'll see that it's keyed with the flat side up on top. Let's go ahead and have the flat side up on top. And with the 16 pin, there's a connector up on top. Let's keep the connector up on top for this test. You'll have your multimeter and volts AC. The first thing you will do is test these last two right here for high voltage. In this case, we have 237 volts. This is a 220 system, so anything between 220 and 240 is okay. If this is a 110 system, anything between 110 and 120 is okay. So in this case, we have power. If you do not have power here, go ahead and stop and troubleshoot why there is no power getting to the motor. The next thing we will test is this 16-pin connection. While holding it with the clip on the top, we will test between the first one and the 8th one. The first one here is on the top left. To find the 8th one, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8th one right here. Let's go ahead and test between the first one and the 8th one. Here on our tester, we have 26 volts. Anything between 21 volts and 28 volts is correct. If you do not have voltage here, go ahead and stop and look at our other video about troubleshooting low voltage communication. In this case, both our high voltage and low voltage is working correctly, so this tells me that our blower motor is defective and must be replaced. If you have any other questions, go ahead and give us a call and we'd be glad to help you. So in this video, we went over diagnosing both high voltage and low voltage communications in the motor. If you don't have high voltage or low voltage, go ahead and give us a call and we would be happy to help you. If this video did help you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our videos.